Good day, everybody. Welcome to your Eastern Idaho planning briefing for December 30th. It is Monday. We have a couple weather systems to chat with you about this week, but to start off our Monday, we do have quiet weather expected for today, although we can't rule out some early morning snow flurries with little to no accumulations forecast for today. And we do have high confidence in today's weather situation. Light snow showers are expected to arrive as early as Tuesday morning for the Snake River Plain with little accumulations forecast. And we do have a fairly significant weather system forecast to arrive Tuesday evening, which is New Year's Eve, and continuing into New Year's Day with snow and blowing snow forecast. And please excuse this line there. Taking a look at our satellite view from this morning, we do have a system off the coast of California that is not expected to move into our area. In fact, it will be pushing off the coast of California today and tomorrow. However, this system further west is going to be the focus of our weather system New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. This is the moisture headed into our area that we will be concerned about. So our weather impact at an overview the next couple of days here. This is the snow that we are talking about, the flurries early this morning across the Magic Valley and the Southern Hills area that will be little to no impact. Tomorrow, across the Snake Plain, the Eastern Highlands, and even the Wood River area can see some snow throughout the day. However, the more impactful areas for snow will be the Sawtooth area and the northern, central portions of Idaho by the evening hours. This will be the focus for our New Year's Eve and our New Year's Day snow system. That will continue into the first, of course. Snow, blowing and drifting snow are forecast just about everywhere across southeast Idaho that particular day. Our more significant impacts are expected in the Eastern Highlands, the Sawtooth area. This will be our areas of accumulating snow and the blowing and drifting. Looking into Thursday, we're generally improving across the area, although we do still have some areas that will see some lingering snow showers, and that generally includes the eastern portion of Idaho. And Friday, we are generally all but done with our snow showers. Okay, let's give you a brief look at where snow will start to accumulate. We talked about the snow showers on Tuesday. This is basically just flurries we're talking about Tuesday morning, but it is, generally speaking, the start anyway of our snow system that will prelude our more significant weather system Tuesday evening. Now here's our snow accumulations on New Year's Eve, all important New Year's Eve forecast for your snow accumulation. So you see the higher amounts of snow forecast across the Stanley Basin along Highway 75 here, and then lighter amounts just about everywhere across eastern Idaho here, but we do have some highlights also across the Teton Valley and Island Park area. Okay, but let's look at our forecast snow amounts for a 24-hour period, talking about New Year's Day. Now, our highlights for impacts are generally going to be after midnight. So if you do have plans to be out New Year's Eve, as most of us do, you will be seeing light snow showers, but the impacts are really going to start to pick up after midnight and early morning on Wednesday, and then throughout the day on Wednesday as well. So if you are expected to head out and be out and about Wednesday during the day, there's going to be plenty of snow to talk about during the day Wednesday, but during the overnight hours the night before, not too bad, but there is expected to be some snow. So anyway, back to our snow totals here. Highlights, again, the Stanley Basin, Highway 75 across Galena Summit, and then eastern Idaho, areas that we typically get lots of snow in our in typical snow situations, of course, Pine Creek Pass, Island Park, Driggs, the Swan Valley. If you're headed to Jackson, expect to see some snow on Wednesday. Now, in addition to our snow accumulations, we also have wind gusts, so that will lead to blowing and drifting snow. Our most substantial wind gusts are expected Wednesday morning, unfortunately. So again, those headed out overnight, New Year's Eve, and headed home early morning, it's going to be breezy. So here's our wind gust forecast, and you see lots of 20s and 20 plus. So uh, breezy conditions here. All right, so to start things off, we have issued a couple areas of winter storm watches. This is in effect for Wednesday, which is New Year's Day. Right now it's in effect for the Stanley Basin zones and then most zones bordering Wyoming at this time. And just to show you, of course, you may be outside New Year's Eve, so it might be chilly. This is our wind chill forecast that particular night. It's not too bad. This is not the temperature forecast. This is what it will feel like to you if you are outside. So we're generally in the teens across the interstate corridor, and then maybe some single digits in the mountainous terrains, but not horrible, not too cold. And then your wind chill values tonight are even colder. So it's actually colder tonight than it will be tomorrow night, which is good news for you. All right, so to summarize, quiet weather today, but maybe some isolated snow flurries early this morning. Light snow showers will arrive as early tomorrow morning for the Snake River Plain, but little to no accumulation is forecast. But then things will begin to pick up in the evening hours, especially in the Sawtooth Basin and in eastern Idaho. And then our significant weather system arrives Tuesday evening and continues through New Year's Day with snow and blowing snow forecast. Okay, any questions or concerns with what is going on the next few days, please do give us a call, send us an email, or chat us on Facebook or Twitter. We are here to answer your questions as best we can. Thanks for watching this morning.